Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial. If you want to see how I did these cute Keroppi nails, keep watching. I'm starting out with my XXL square no C curve tips from my website. Every single thing in this video besides the acrylic powders can be found on NAILZBYDEV.com. I'll link all the products I use in this video in the description. For my acrylic method, I just place a bead down. I do a 3-bead method. I do a bead all the way to the tip. I do a second bead to build up the apex, and then here you see me placing my cuticle bead. I'm also using my acrylic brush from NAILZBYDEV.com, size 12, I believe. On the other two middle fingers, I decided I was going to do like this really cool, bright, glittery green. And then do a little bit of ombre using that same acrylic color down onto the green. Also, you guys, for a chance to win a giveaway of my top 4 brush bundle, drop me a comment below letting me know what kind of character art you want to see me paint next. I will be replying back to the winner in my next YouTube video. After I went ahead and ombre'd this nude down onto this green acrylic, I just placed a little bead right here with clear to kind of build up that middle part and encapsulate the glitter acrylic. Here's my nails before hitting them with an e-file, and now it's time to do the art. If you guys are struggling with learning characters or you're new to nail art, SANRIO characters are one of the best things to practice because they're not hard and they're really good at learning like different shapes and, you know, placement of the characters and proportions and all of that without it being too much of a challenge. I started by getting his head shape outline, and then I'm going in with, oops, I did it again, red liner gel. The brush I'm using, you guys, is the Hella Cute liner brush and the 9mm liner brush. You're gonna draw out this little trapezoid shape, which will be his body, and then we're gonna go ahead and draw out where the arms and the legs are going. I am doing white first because the color I'm using is called TROLLIN, and it looks so bomb if you put it over white. It's like double the brightness if you put it over white. Over here, you see that I'm drawing out his little foot by doing a U shape and then adding the toes and then just drawing out a little hand right here. This is the color we're going to be using for him, you guys. Look at this color. Oh my gosh. I am obsessed with this color. It is so pretty, and it's going to be such a popular color for spring and summer. By the way, guys, I am carrying in between each layer. You don't want your nail art to all run into each other. I'm going to go ahead and up here get 2 big circles. Pay attention to how far you put them down on the face. When you're painting, you want to always be measuring like where you place everything down. I'm doing 2 little lines to give his outfit some little detail, and then we're going to just start bolding him out with the black liner gel. This is my favorite product, you guys. Baddest black liner gel from my website. The most pigmented black on the market, and I do not ever toot my own horn, but you guys, this black is literally the truth. I've used many black liner gels, and mine is definitely the most black out there, and I say that with complete promise because I'm an artist myself, so I know like what products work best, and that's why I'm so happy to share everything that I use from my website with you guys, because I truly believe in every single thing I put out for you guys to purchase, and I use it in all my videos. Now you just see me, you guys, bolding out everything. The key is just to kind of really get all these lines the same line weight. It's gonna make your art look just nice and crisp, having the same thickness throughout your designs when you're doing line work. It also matters how you hold your brush. As you can see, I'm using my pinky to balance the pressure and really be able to control my brush, because if you don't have something to kind of balance on, you're kind of just gonna flop all over the place. And now for his mouth, I'm just doing a wide V and taking my Spice Girl liner gel. I forgot to record it. Oh my gosh, I'm so stupid, but I just used the little dotting tool just like I did here for the eyes to create the circles in the cheeks and the eyes. And now we're gonna move on to this nail. I decided I wanted to do some cute like heart cherries. So for the color, I just mixed white into that Spice Girl liner gel. And now you see me going in with that Spice Girl liner gel after to kind of outline the cherries. Also, I wanted the stems to really pop. So I went ahead and went in with white again for the stems, just like I did for Keroppi. And by the way, I hope I am saying his name right, because I feel like I'm not. Correct me if I'm wrong. But here I go, drawing out the stems. I'm going to cure that in the lamp, and then I'm just going to cover that all over again with TROLLIN. Up here you see me drawing out the little leaves, and look at this color. Oh my gosh, I just can't talk enough about this color because it is so bright, and it's still bright without the white underneath, but I just prefer to use the white underneath. It really makes it pop even more. I'm taking my limewire liner gel. It's part of the primary collection, and I'm just gonna outline some parts of the stem to make the stem on these cherries really pop and add some detail in the leaf. Taking my white liner gel, I'm gonna add these little highlights right here on the cherries. So cute. I also added some twinkles, and this is how they came out. So on the other nails, I just decided to add this really cute spring plaid, and how I did that was I went in with white, then I did TROLLIN, and then I took a green jelly, cured it in the lamp, and then I used limewire mixed with clear, and then I went over and just painted little squares. To finish off the French tip, I outlined it with limewire, and look at how these nails turned out, you guys. Oh my gosh. If you love SANRIO and you love green and you love spring and all things cute, these are the perfect nails for this time of year. By the way, I finished them off with my No Wipe Shiny top coat. It is super thick and glossy, and it is such an amazing top coat. Don't forget, you guys, give this video a thumbs up, drop me a comment if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in another video soon. Bye guys!